Have you forgotten, husband, the family the Marquis murdered? They were my father, my brother, my sister, and her husband. So don't tell me where to stop. Tell that to wind and the fire. Ma'am Defarge became angry and she said to M. Defarge that don't you try to stop me. Don't you know that the Marquis and his men, they have killed my family members badly? They murdered my father, my brother, my sister, and her husband badly. Now don't tell me to stop. When he heard this, Carton knew that little Lucy, and Dr. Manette had to leave France immediately. Ma'am Defarge would stop at nothing to see them dead alongside Charles. So Carton come to know that now Ma'am Defarge is not going to stop. She became so much revengeful now that she is going to kill little Lucy and Lucy as well. She is going to plan their death and she is going to do that. He paid his last bill and left. On the way to Lucy's house, he stopped at Tallison's and collected Mr. Lorry and Jerry Cruncher. When they arrived, Dr. Manette had again relapsed into his shoemaker's reality. So Carton, he paid his bill and he left. When he was going to Manette's house, he took Mr. Lorry and Jerry Cruncher along with him. When they reached there, they saw that Dr. Manette was again relapsed into shoemaker's reality. Let me get to work. Where are my tools? Everyone tried in vain to comfort the old man, but there was little they could do. Carton decided to privately discuss the situation with Mr. Lorry. The two men sat down while Dr. Manette paced nervously about the room. His unsteady stride caused him to stumble and knock over a small case in which he kept his personal documents. As Carton bent and picked it up, it fell upon to reveal the solution of their problem. So everybody, they tried a lot so that they can console and give some comfort to Dr. Manette, but nothing works. So Carton decided that now Dr. Manette, he is not in his senses. Now Mr. Lorry and they have to take some decision regarding this matter. Two of them, they sat down and Dr. Manette was nervously pacing up and down in the room. Suddenly he hit with a small case and the case opened and the documents in the case were all spread on the floor. And the Carton, he got the solution of his problem. That is it, Mr. Lorry. This is the certificate that will allow the doctor, Lucy and the child to get out of the Paris. The doctor must have got it yesterday and this. So Carton, he was happy that he got a document from there. He said that this is the certificate and it is going to help doctor and his help to get out of this country. It might be possible that doctor have got it yesterday, but he was unable to show it to somebody because he relapsed before that. He put his hand in his pocket and took out a similar piece of paper. He also put a hand in his pocket and he also took a certificate like that from his pocket. Is my pass, Mr. Lorry. Take this passes and get ready to leave the country at once. Mr. Lorry reacted with concern. Are they in danger? I overheard the conversation in Defarge's shop and I believe Ma'am Defarge is preparing to report Lucy and the child to the tribunal. So he gave both the passes to Mr. Lorry and he said him that now take these passes and just prepare yourself to return to England. Mr. Lorry was concerned. He said, is there any worries? Carton said, yes, because I overheard Ma'am Defarge and I believe that Ma'am Defarge, she is going to report against Lucy and the child to the tribunal.